Good morning, everyone. Now I am going to take about computer network. The unit one title is Introduction. First topic is need for communication. A communication is a service enables the exchanging of information between the user at a different location. The communication services and the applications are everywhere. So these are all the some of the example which is similar to a email communication. So next topic is a network. A network is a set of devices that are all connected together that performing a data communication. Here the nodes are called it as a computer, printer or any other devices enable for sending and receiving a data between the node. This category of communication are called it as sharing of informations. This sharing can be done through a local or else in a remote. These are all the characteristics of network. The first characteristic is delivery, accuracy and timeline. Next one is the components of network. First one is message, sender, receiver, transmission medium. So these are all the main components of a computer. Final one is a protocol. So this is communication between the sender and receiver. They are performing a data communication in a form of messages. The rules are provided by the protocols. Next, the key elements of the protocols. So these are all the key elements: syntax, semantics, and timeline. Syntax, which provide the structure of a data while you are performing data communication. Semantics are the sections of bits. Time is a duration of a data being transmitted from one end to another end. Next one is the transmission mode. There are different mode of communication channels are available to performing a data communication from one end to another end. So this can follows these types. One is simplex mode, half duplex and full duplex mode. Simplex mode is a one-to-one communication, is a direct communication. Half duplex is either any one direction. Full duplex is a bidirectional link. Both the stations are able to performing a data communication at the same time. So these are all the advantages and disadvantages of simplex mode. It can transmit data in only one direction, so that it is called it as a unidirectional communication. It unable to perform a bidirectional communications. Half duplex in the sense at the same time any one of either a sender or as a receiver are able to performing a data communication only one side at a time. Full duplex mode in the sense both the sender and receiver are simultaneously performing a data communication. This communication is also called it as bidirectional communication. So these are all the advantages and drawbacks. Both the stations are able to performing a data communication at the same time. Next one is line configuration and line connectivity. The line configuration refer to the way two or more communication devices attached on a link. The link that provide a communication path between one devices to another device. So this can be configured with either a point-to-point communication, multi-point communication. Point-to-point in the sense one-to-one communication. Multi-point in the sense two or more devices are connected with a single link. The network topologies. So these are all the network topologies: bus topology, ring topology, tree topology, star topology, mesh and hybrid topology. So these are devices connected to a link that can performing a data communication. The bus topologies are the devices are arranged like a bus. This communication is a serial communication. So this is a diagrammatic representation of a bus topology. So advantages is cost is effective, cable recover is least compared to other network. The drawback of this topology is cable fail, the entire network get to be failed. The ring topologies is a point-to-point connectivity. Each devices have a dedicated point-to-point connection with one another. So this is a diagrammatic representation. All the devices are connected in a circular order. The advantage of this topology is cheapest to installation, and the problem may occur like a troubleshooting when you are add or deleting any computer. In the sense on the time it will create a problem. The tree topologies, it is like on a tree structure, the root node and the leaf node. So the first device act as a root node, the remaining nodes are being as a leaf node. So this topologies are called it as tree topology. The advantage is it can be expandable, easy to expandable, and cost wise it is high somewhat compared with the other topologies. The star topologies are be like a point-to-point connectivity which is connected with the hub. So the hub are connected with the number of devices. The advantages are fast performance with a fewer nodes, Hub can be upgraded easily. The drawback is cost of installation is high, expensive to use. Next one is mesh topology. Each device has a dedicated point-to-point link to every other devices. The term dedicated means the link carries a traffic only between the two devices when it was connected. So this is a diagrammatic representation of mesh topology. Next one, hybrid topology is a combination of one or more basic topologies. The basic topologies in this, the previous topology we were discussed in previous topic. So this is a diagrammatic representation of a hybrid topology. Next one is a network type. So these are all the network: local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area networks. Local area network, which it is a group of computers are connected with each other in a small area, such as a small buildings or else a small office. So it required a minimum amount of cost for installation. So this is diagrammatic representation. So with the help of the hub, then a limited number of devices are connected together. Next one is a wide area network. The wide area network is a network that can cover over a large distance compared to a local area network. The internet of one of the biggest wide area network in this world is a WAN. So this is a wide area network diagrammatic representation. It can cover a number of lands as well as the worldwide coverage. So these are all the advantages. It can cover a large areas and some of the security issues may occur. Metropolitan area network is it cover the large geometric areas by interconnecting a different land. The coverage areas it can cover either a towns or a cities. The coverage area is 50 kilometers. So this is MAN configuration. It can connect with the particular environment in cities like hospitals, colleges, factories and schools are connected with the metropolitan areas network. Internetwork. Internetworking is defined as two or more computer connected together. The LAN or a MAN or call it as internetworking. Extranet is used for information sharing. The access of extranet is restricted to only to the user who's having a login credential. So this is a diagrammatic representation. Intranet belongs to the organization. It is used for a particular organization. For every organization, they can be implemented using the intranet configuration. They are having a centralized server. Through the server, they are connected together. So this is a diagrammatic way of network which is configured with intranet, internet and extranet. Transmission medium. So these are all the transmission medium, guided, unguided. They uses a twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optics cable, and the unguided transmission medium which uses a free space.